As they say, everything new is just, well, forgotten old, and projectors are a perfect example of that. Of course, a modern projector is a compact box that supports all the smart features you find in a smart TV, but projectors are much more affordable. Today, we'll take a look at the budget-friendly, compact Full HD projector XGODY N6 Pro, which could be your first step toward building a real home theater. In the box, you'll find the projector itself, a remote control, an HDMI cable, accessories for cleaning the optics, and a manual. After turning it on for the first time, everything's pretty straightforward. Connect to Wi-Fi and the device is ready to go. First off, I should mention that the projector features autofocus, auto-alignment, and auto-keystone correction. In other words, you'll get a flat and vibrant image on the screen, even if the projector itself is tilted along the axis. And the autofocus will ensure the sharpest possible picture, no matter how far the projector is from the screen. The projector supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and has HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm jack. It syncs with your smartphone without any issues. The operating system is based on Android. Everything is convenient and intuitive. Some video hosting and streaming services are already pre-installed here. It has 32 gigabytes of built-in storage and 1 gigabyte of RAM. So it's a projector and a smart box all in one. I'm satisfied with the projector. If you have a large room and want the picture to be bright even during the day, you'll need a completely different class of projector, like one with a xenon lamp or a laser projector, but those are usually much more expensive.